Hi, so when we are building the kaleidoscope, we will take these individual pieces and we will insert them through this slot, and we have these small rubber bands. So one by one we will, put this connection right. So we'll take one and we'll take another one, and then we'll take another one here. And similarly for one by one, I'll just try and notch it up for all of these. Here you go. Yeah, and the last one. So on one side you have this circular plate, right, and on the other. Okay, so now we have this connection done from this side and it is open from this side. Let's keep this aside. Let's take our three mirrors. These are the three mirrors that we have. We need to create a triangle, right, with this mirror side inside. So this is how it will become. This is how the mirror is, right? We just take one small piece of a sellotape, right, so that we can hold this together, and we will use it and we will just circle it around a little bit like this. This is just to ensure that it's easier to grab and hold, right? We will take this, and then there is a foam piece which has a triangle in it, so we'll just insert it inside like this, right? So now we have this whole piece which is like this. We will put this piece inside this assembly like this. So you will get to see these holes inside, and now we will take this piece which has this notch. We can put it straight away, but I'm going to just put this screw so that it becomes easier. This screw goes from here, and on top of it we'll just insert this nut from the top, so it becomes, we'll just ensure it is tight. This is how it will look like, and then this screw coming outward, we will place it on this one by one. So this will take just one little bit of patience to do it, because so we'll take one, and then the second one, insert it nicely, and then the third one, insert it nicely, and then the fourth one, and then the fifth goes, and then the sixth goes. The first one is the trickiest, and after that it becomes easy. So we have inserted all of these. We'll take these rubber bands again, just put one and one here, right, and then you can add as many as you want. This will just ensure that your kaleidoscope is strong and robust. Just turn it here, just turn it here, and just turn it here, and the last one, right? Okay, so the next step for us is to actually prepare the glass ring. You have this wooden piece here and you have a glass piece. You would have two such glass pieces, right? So we'll take those. Just place one of them at the bottom, right? And you can add whatever you want to view in these sections. So I'm placing a few rubber, right? So I've added these here, and on top of it I'll place the other glass bead just to match it here, and then I have these rubber bands again. So I will use these rubber bands, maybe just at two ends, to actually ensure that this is properly notched up. So I will use one, and I can use the other one here, right? I can use all four as well because I have option, but I'm using only two. So this is how it will become, and then you can see that the glass bead is completely filled in, right? Now to attach these two, how do we do that? Before we will use this foam piece which has these slots, and we will insert it on top of these slots like this. Then this screw will pass through the glass like this, and we have another nut, so we will use that nut to complete this assembly. Right here it goes, 1, 2, and that's it. Right, and on the other hand we have this another foam piece, EVA foam piece with a hole, so I'll try and patch it on that, and that's it. I mean, you can clearly see this is how it is. You can rotate this one from this angle and continue to see good sights. Thank you. This is your kaleidoscope is ready.